circling the island. Yeah. So I'm gonna go left, hopefully around the island, and then turn right into them. Yeah. That's hilarious. Maybe that'll distract the galleon. I think they anchored. Sails. I know, I got it, I got it. It's a galleon, dude. We can outmaneuver him like butter. We're gonna come straight at him. I don't know if I like this, but whatever.
Howdy.
This is not gonna end well for us. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Nice. And one of them died, I saw a body. Oh, I got hit, I got hit. He's on the boat. No, he's on the boat. We're down. We're done. Oh, there's two of them. There's two of them. So there's one on our boat, and then there was probably one. Yeah, they're gone. Dude, we can go back, raise Reapers, and go back and get both flags.
What happened?
They're coming back. They respawn. Damn, you can't look at the map to see where you are. Try and stay alive. Ours didn't say it sunk yet. It's probably going like in there. It's like transition upside down, kind of shit like ours did. You see our boat? Yeah, I didn't even get one hold on. They were on and they knifed me right away. There's two in the water. You're in trouble. What the fuck? It spawned me by you. I'm coming. I'm coming. There's a dinghy here too, so. Dude, it spawned me way far away. It's like a fucking